Today we are making peanut butter and jelly chicken. You're going to need 1 10-ounce jelly, a half a cup of peanut butter, a 1/4 teaspoon of hot sauce, a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, 12 chicken wings or chicken legs, spray for the pan, and a baking mat. Let's make this peanut butter jelly. You're going to put all the ingredients, the peanut butter, hot sauce, the red wine vinegar. You're going to stir very well until it's mixed very good. And then you're going to add the jelly and then stir that very well. Once this is mixed very well, you want to put this all on your chicken and put it in a bag or an airtight container. And you want to marinate this for minimum 30 minutes, preferable overnight, to get that juices of that jelly mix. Then you want to line your baking sheet and spray it very well. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure you put extra sauce on both sides of the chicken before you put them in the oven. Don't forget to flip your chicken halfway through. Bake it for 30 to 40 minutes according to your oven temperature. Rotate that chicken, add some sauce. It should come out golden brown and nice and crispy on the outside and juicy inside. Cause it's peanut butter jelly time. Throw them likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to see more of me and my things and my stuff and my goodies and things.